Hi guys, this is Berry here. In this scenario, I'm going to show you how to combine multiple pipelines in Informatica before loading into target using the Union transformations. Okay, let me start with the designer. Before that, let me show you the tables which I have used here. I use like source as customer Bangalore and Kerala. We have 6 customers, and in Kerala we have 4 customers, and we are combining it into one data set to load it into the target customer table. So before loading it into the customer, why do we use this Union transformations? Because for the larger organizations we have multiple customers all over the globe. So at the headquarters they need the amount of sale that has happened at the end of the day, and how many customers have been included into the systems. We can't go to the each separate subsystems and go and check. So what we do here is we combine all those things into one data set and provide it to the headquarters or wherever it needs to be loaded. So in our case, the customer is the one where we be loading it. So let me start with the demo. Here I have loaded the customer Bangalore and in the staging table customer Kerala to load it in the target database. So let me create the mapping using these tables. Drag the S customers from the source DB. And similarly from the customer Kerala from the staging DB, and create a union transformations to combine these two data sets. So we'll create two groups, one is for Bangalore and one more is for Kerala. So we have your group tab here. In the tab you can create one for Bangalore and create for one more for Kerala. Hit apply and OK. So select all the columns from the Bangalore and load it into that. And for Kerala, load it into these three. Okay, so if you go and see here, the ports we have both Bangalore and Kerala, the data sets as input port, and the default is the output port. We have customer name, number, name, address as a group ports. Click apply and load it into the target. So drag the I think I have not loaded the target table. So and these three output ports will be okay. Validate and save this mapping. So it's valid and saved into the repository. Let me create a mapping for this workflow for this. We have customers, Go to the mapping tab, click on change the connections, and moreover this union is similar to the union all function in normal SQL server at the back end. Okay, save this. Before running this, check the data what's present in target. So it's not, no data is present here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start this workflow. So we can see here it's running. And one more thing to be noted is, if the sources are relational, we can combine multiple select statement in the source qualifier query override itself, instead of using the union query if it is from the same database. Okay. Okay, you can see there's 11 rows here, which is combined from both Bangalore and this. So let me use a union all here to show you that union operation is nothing but the same as union all. So you can see all these things. And if the data is from the same database, then we can use the one source qualifier and we can override the source qualifier here. Here we can provide the source for that, username and password, generate. This will generate the SQL which is there here, and similar to this we can write here below this union all and the next one data from the other table. So we can avoid the union transformations. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.